If you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, if you have that option available in your region, you can simply find a button while being on a call. So if you have call menu, you should be able to find that option. However, in some cases, it is not possible to record phone calls. I mean, in some regions or countries. Just to double check, we can go, for example, to the phone app, tap on these three dots on the right side, and go to settings. And if you cannot find call recording option, then it means that you cannot record phone calls. But that doesn't mean that we cannot make recordings at all. We can, but we need to download an app from the Play Store. So I'm gonna show you one of the apps that I have been using, and I think it works just fine, and it is called Cube ACR, and this is the app that we are looking for. I'm gonna install it, and the reason why I have chosen it is because it also has some cool features, like you can automatically record phone calls, so you don't have to press any button or anything like that. However, of course, there are multiple different choices in the Play Store or in the Galaxy Store, so feel free to try anything else. And speaking of Cube ACR, I'm gonna also install the helper, which is needed nevertheless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install the Cube ACR helper. This is the app, and this time, as you can see, I get it from the Galaxy Store instead of the Play Store, because for some reason this helper is missing in the Play Store. Alright, so we're gonna open the helper first. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Let's go next and grant permission. Now we're gonna select that we want to record audio while using the app, allow permissions, and then we need to go to enable app connector, choose installed apps, and go to Cube ACR app connector and turn it on, and press allow. Then we can press OK and allow, and then we can press open Cube ACR. And here, once again, go next and grant permissions. And then over here we have power optimization, so let's press OK and allow. For geotagging, we don't really need to agree to that, so we can press no thanks and press OK. Got it. Now we're gonna close the premium offer twice. There we go. And the app is pretty much ready to use. Over here in the top left corner, we can tap on these three lines in order to find the option enable recording, which of course should be enabled. You can also go to settings, for example, of recording in order to find the auto recording, and so on and so forth. So we can adjust our options over here in case something is wrong. So I'm gonna stick with the automatic recording. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So after we answer the call, you should be able to see notification about Cube ACR and helper being active, or that the call recording is in progress. Ideally, you want your phone call to last more than 5 seconds, because for some reason the first 5 seconds are not being recorded by this app. At least I had some issues with that, but other than that, everything else just worked fine. And once we enter the call, of course, the recorded phone call is available in the app. So we're gonna go to the Cube ACR, and over here we have our phone call recorded. We can press play in order to, of course, listen to the phone call. We can tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find additional options, and that is essentially it. So if for some reason you don't like the app, then of course feel free to try anything else. For example, from the Play Store, just type call recording or something like that, or call recorder, and you should be able to find multiple different options. I'm of course not recommending to, it is not like I recommend using any of these, it's just to showcase that it is just possible to do so, even if you don't have the built-in option on your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!